What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys. So this is part 2 of the Toyota Camry detail that we have, and I will show you the interior using, of course, sorry for the shaky camera work, Pilot. So the rest of the interior is done besides the driver's side. So I will show you how this works. This works phenomenal, works amazing, works fantastic, works like, all right, ADS is like the drug dealer of detailing, because this is like TRICLEAN without the, you know, certification, I guess. So if you want to say it that way, I'm just gonna, you know, keep it on the hush. But pretty much it's like TRICLEAN Express, and I forgot what other one that they have, and it made a baby. So let's see how well this does. And I know how well it does because I'll show you the interior right now, but I'll show you how well it does cleaning the driver's side. So let's get started. As for the interior, remember how the interior looked? This is all with just Pilot, and he just came for a maintenance detail. Look how nice and clean the seats are, the door panels, the dashboard, use it on an infotainment screen. It is nice and clean. So everywhere else is nice and clean besides, you know, just a couple areas for video purposes. The owner will be here in a couple of minutes. But as you can see, there is some staining, some dirt, some body oils. So we will take care of that right now. So let me show you in real time. So first off, let's start off with the dash up here. And got 3 towels here, but first let's start off with the dash up here. And a little bit of this and the gauge screen. So what I like to do is just saturate my towel, not to get overspray on the glass or anything, and just wipe in. And this cleans very good. My wife was using it as well, and she said, yo, this is great. So she really enjoys it. Smells great, nice and clean. And you know what, let me flip it to the short nap side. But yeah, so let me just apply more just to get it a little bit more wet. You don't want to be cheap with this. And look how quick and easy it cleans. You clean the gauge screen, that plastic cover. This works well on everything. Like I said, it's like Express, TRICLEAN, and I forgot what other one that they were testing out. It's like 3 of them had a baby and made Pilot. And it cleans very, very nice, as you can see here. It doesn't really leave a sheen. I think they said Swift. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. But it's like a clean and protect product. It just leaves it a nice matte regular finish. It's not like, you know, the Ethos interior detailer where it leaves a nice dark sheen, but this still nonetheless leaves a small sheen to begin with. So that's about it. Let me show you how well it cleans on the actual seat. So I'm not sure if this is dirt or whatever, but we will figure it out and find out together. So we got some dirt and stuff here, a little bit of dirt, I guess, over there, but we will find out together. So I'm gonna spray this area as that, spray a little bit right there, let that dwell, and we will see how well it cleans the seats. So this is just a maintenance detail, so this is the perfect candidate for it. And look how much dirt it picks up. It's freaking crazy. This thing, like I said, is great. Cleaned off that dirt, and just wiping off the seat. Look at all that gene transfer, dirt, grime, everything you could think of on this. We're just removing it easily with pretty much one single wipe. Same thing right here. Gone. Gone. Just look at the seat. Nice and clean. That stain's gone. Right over there is gone. And now we're gonna clean door seal or whatever. We're gonna spray this here, flip it to a new side. Wipe this in. And look, nice and clean. Very quick and easy. Now let me bring you to the door panel. Let me grab another towel, just so we don't cross-contaminate or anything, because I did do the dirty area just to prove on how well this Pilot cleans. So we're gonna spray area as such. Spray on the towel and work it in. Just clean the hole. I don't know what's this weird sticky stuff here, but it's like it was either repainted or something, or recoated the plastic. This works so good. Look how nice and clean we're getting this. Yeah, this looks like this is damaged. I thought that was a stain. This is coming off. That's like, I guess, some sticky residue. Came off just fine. See, oh no, never mind. I thought that was damaged. Look, clean that up. It loosened that sticky stuff up. Yo, bro, this is great. Nothing to complain about. Stain right here came off. That is great. Look at that. Do you guys see what I see? A nice clean door panel, clean seat. I'm gonna show you the tire, or not the tire, the wheel. And that's it. And then I'll show you my outro. Tell you my final thoughts. I'm gonna clean the steering wheel, see how much dirt and grime comes off. Look at that. Look. So, all in all, a great product. Nothing bad to say about this. I'm gonna finish wiping this down, and I'll see you on the outro for my closing comments. All right, so y'all all remember how this thing came in, and this is the after. Just a maintenance clean with Pilot alone. Just look at that. Steering wheel, nav screen, no dust, no dirt, nice and clean. Seats, nice and clean, not shiny, just a nice matte finish. Deep clean seats. Just looks fantastic. This thing is a great product. Look, very nice finish. I just gotta wipe that down because that's a bit of the cleaner, but all in all, great product. All right, everyone, so what is my final verdict on Pilot? It's a big boy. It's another big boy in the lineup. Cleans well. Nothing bad to say, no streaks, no nothing. Deep cleans the panels, gets that dirt and grime out. And you saw how the interior came in, and all we used was Pilot for the entire interior. It came out phenomenal. This is how much we used the Pilot, so just to prove. Because remember how the interior was. So we wiped down everything inside the interior. And yo, ADS is doing work. So if you guys want to use this, use code DMS at checkout for 10% off. And like I said, another big boy in Pilots. I said in Pilots, in ADS lineup. But let me know what you guys think about the results. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And other than that, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.